Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to Crypto Growth. This is your host, Shazib, signing in. Uh, in this channel, we talk about various altcoins. If you're interested in any one of them, please make sure to subscribe and stay tuned in. We discussed about BitTensor Tau in the earlier video. Today, we're going to discuss about Morpheus Network, MNW. So let us go ahead and check if there are any updates regarding it. This is their Twitter page, Morpheus Network. For those of you who do not know, Morpheus Network is transforming the supply chain industry by giving them innovative solutions in relevance to blockchain technology and DLTs. So they've shared a few articles here, and Tokenizer has shared this video as well, in which he has. Yeah, I saw this video. It is 46 minutes long. You guys can check it out. He has shared. He has asked the team extremely well thought out questions regarding the future and the scope of Morpheus Network, and what they plan to do, how would they reshape the industry in the right way, as it is he has written here, in the right way with agnostic interoperability. Basically, it's cross-chain. MNW is providing the supply chain industry with DLT and cross-chain solutions. So yeah, you can check that out. So they've shared pieces as well, articles as well, which we're going to go and check out. Yes, they've shared 2 or 3 articles. Let us move forward and see what they're all about. 16 hours ago, published by Morpheus Network, transforming brand protection, examples of the power of blockchain technology in retail. In today's hyper-connected digital landscape, brands confront an array of formidable challenges to safeguard their reputation and intellectual property. Foremost among these challenges is the ever-present threat of counterfeiting, where counterfeit products bearing a brand's name proliferate without consent, causing substantial financial losses and reputational damage. Basically, in this article, they've written that malicious actors try to tarnish a brand's reputation by the means of illicit practices and hacking their databases. So there are constant cyber attacks, including hacking, phishing, ransomware attacks, and data breaches. These malicious acts can compromise sensitive consumer data, resulting in damage to a brand's reputation and customer relationships. This pervasive digital menace manifests in diverse forms, such as unauthorized intrusions into a brand's digital infrastructure, often with the intent to pilfer sensitive data or disrupt operations. So yeah, deceive recipients into receiving sensitive information, including passwords, credit card details, or other personal data. So basically, uh, Morpheus Network provides solutions to all of these problems, which we can see here. Yeah, by providing transparency and proof of authenticity, blockchain significantly enhances consumer trust. Consumers can verify a product's history, sustainability practices, or fair trade status, fostering brand loyalty and enhancing reputation. Moreover, as blockchain operates beyond geographical boundaries, it facilitates the protection and enforcement of intellectual property rights on a global scale, a critical advantage for brands with a global presence. So blockchain technology can be tapped into to provide solutions for all of these problems. It is immutable. The code cannot be changed. So there is transparency and traceability in the technology, so it can truly reshape the supply chain management, and Morpheus Network is in the forefront of that. It is an extremely good project, but you guys can do your own due diligence, and this is not any financial advice, and only invest what you guys can afford to lose, the motto of crypto, the first motto of crypto. In the digital age where trust is paramount, blockchain technology emerges as a beacon of hope for brands seeking to secure their legacy, protect their intellectual property, and maintain unwavering consumer confidence. As more brands recognize the power of blockchain, we can anticipate a future where trust and authenticity are not just preserved but further strengthened in our interconnected world. So here it is about Morpheus Network. Morpheus Network is intensely focused on helping companies and government organizations eliminate inefficiencies and remove barriers to optimize and automate enterprise supply chain operations. Their multi-award winning supply chain middleware platform leverages transformational digital technologies such as ML, AI, Internet of Things, IoT, and blockchain, and has over 150 integrations with leading companies including SAP, DHL, FedEx, CargoWise, Telefonica, Marsh, Swift, and more. So Morpheus Network is working with such huge names and brands and such big companies, such gargantuan companies, that it is mind-boggling, to be very honest. It is truly underrated. Morpheus Network helps clients maximize revenue through digitization and process automation, protecting sensitive data and untangling complex issues with the legacy supply chain system while delivering effective, equitable, and efficient global trade solutions. If you fix the supply chain, you fix the world. Dan Weinberger, CEO and co-founder of MNW. Extremely great piece. Yes, there are other pieces as well which they've shared, but this is, I think, of June 22, understanding the role of blockchain and middleware in enhancing supply chain technology stacks. So this is about bridge your supply chain gaps through middleware, bridging the supply chain industry, introduction to blockchain-based middleware and supply chain technology stacks. This article is about where blockchain comes into play in being the middleware, based middleware and supply chain technology stacks. Blockchain-based middleware services serves basically blockchain-based middleware is transforming as a transformative solution that enhances supply chain technology stacks, unlike traditional middleware, which primarily focuses on communication and data integration. Blockchain-based middleware adds an extra layer of security, transparency, and immutability to the supply chain ecosystem. By leveraging blockchain technology, it provides a decentralized and a distributed ledger that ensures data integrity and trustworthiness. So yeah, as it is written that the blockchain technology, which is decentralized and a distributed ledger, ensures integrity and trustworthiness, which is not present in traditional systems, and traditional systems are compromised rather easily. So yeah, this is also a good piece. You can check it out. In conclusion, embrace the middle. Blockchain-based middleware plays a crucial role in enhancing supply chain technology stacks. By leveraging blockchain technology, it adds an extra layer of security, transparency. Yeah, okay. This is an article which was published on August 24th. Empowering blockchain adoption in enterprise supply chains, the Morpheus Network Masternode program explained. The Morpheus Network Masternode, guys, is one of the best Masternode programs I've ever come across. One of the best, if not the best. It is certainly down in the top 10 or 20, I guess. It To become a masternode provider or the masternode, you need to have 1,800 MNW coins. One MNW coin is, I think, priced at around $1.5, which I last checked. We're going to look and check into the price in the end of the video. But you need 1,800 tokens to become the masternode provider. So basically, you're going to get 18% APY if you become a masternode provider. And what if Morpheus Network, which is I think priced at $1.5 at the moment, goes on to $50 and $100 in the future, due to the fact that they're doing so much in this space. You're going to get 324 tokens for one masternode. So 324 tokens multiplied by 50, I think it makes approximately $1,600 or $16,000 a year. So you guys can calculate that where this is heading. So you're going to get 18% APY for becoming the masternode provider. So here they've written how you can do that. At its core, a masternode is a server on a decentralized network that performs specialized functions, ensuring the network's stability and efficiency. In return for their services, masternode operators are rewarded with tokens. The Morpheus Network Masternode program takes this concept further by integrating it into their supply chain platform. Morpheus Network's platform aims to streamline and optimize supply chains using blockchain technology, enabling end-to-end transparency, traceability, and automation. This holds immense potential for enterprises looking to enhance their operational efficiency and reduce costs. The Masternode program acts as the backbone of this platform, contributing to its security, speed, and reliability. The important enterprise use cases: network security and reliability, advantages of getting involved. Network security and reliability. Masternodes play a crucial role in maintaining the security and stability of the network. Rewards. Operating a masternode is not just about contributing to the network, it's also an opportunity to earn rewards. Driving innovation. Enterprises constantly seek innovative solutions to remain competitive. By supporting the Morpheus Network Masternode program, participants become stakeholders in a project that has the potential to redefine how businesses manage their supply chains. This is big. Showcasing blockchain's value, the Masternode program bridges the gap between blockchain technology and its practical applications. As masternodes facilitate smoother supply chain operations, the value proposition of blockchain becomes evident, making it easier to convince enterprises to integrate this technology into their processes. Community engagement. The program creates a community of like-minded individuals and organizations interested in the intersection of blockchain and supply chain management. So basically, the Masternodes program launched on December 20th, and the first staking rewards for staking the MNW tokens was paid out to the validators in June 2023, 6 months after setting up the node. Yeah, so this was the first phase, and I think now the second phase has commenced, so you guys can check that out as well. And one thing needs to be mentioned. I read somewhere that you need to at least have 10 to 20 MB of internet, and your internet needs to be connected 99% of the time to make this masternode mechanism work. So you guys can check that out. In summary, blockchain's potential to revolutionize industries is universally acknowledged, yet its trajectory hinges on cultivating practical use cases that resonate with real-world challenges. So basically, Morpheus Network is solving those real-world challenges in the supply chain sector, in the real world. It's working with real companies, with real institutions, with governments, and this Masternode program is, in my opinion, a good opportunity, but you should do your own due diligence and only invest what you can afford to lose. 1,800 tokens for a Masternode. 1,800 tokens is some $2,000 plus dollars at the moment. So it might be a good opportunity for some. You guys can check it out. An opportunity for passive income if you're interested. Anyways, these were a few articles. I found some posts in Twitter interesting as well. Triple Dutch, he works extremely well and researches MNW really well. I went through his account. You guys can check him out. Good to see that more and more big X accounts are adding MNW to their list of recommended tokens. If you just take a little time to read, you'll quickly conclude that owning this token is a no-brainer. MNW supply chain is extremely well connected, not only with Fortune 100 and 500 companies, but also with a long list of standardization organizations and even entire countries. To do what, you might ask? To fundamentally improve global supply chain processes with provable online data on the blockchain gathered from all sorts of Internet of Things devices and made visible on their Morpheus SaaS platform and safeguarded by a decentralized network of trust MNW masternodes. Morpheus is not only for big enterprises, for SMB there will be a new portal so everyone can set up shipments in just a few steps. Could become a killer app for democratizing supply chain. You can still get in at an attractive price level, as a fair masternodes will become very expensive to obtain in the future. Don't wait too long before mass adoption kicks in. In fact, mass adoption has already started with Morpheus, but it is kept silent until the big reveal at the start of production masternodes, which is aimed at the end of this year. Yeah, I told you guys that this is the second phase, I think, and you've only got last 3 months of the year to accumulate enough MNW tokens to run between 1 and 200 nodes. Just saying. So you guys can check it out. Marsh, they're connected with Marsh and other companies, other huge names, and the masternode program is extremely attractive in my opinion, and it is undervalued at the moment, but not a financial advice obviously. This yet again another post. MNW $50 million market cap, changing the world of supply chain, already recognized by many large enterprises, standards organizations, and entire countries who see its huge potential for cross-border trade. Production on masternodes planned to kick off in 3 months. Perfect accumulation opportunities. Max 47.8 million MNW, circulating 47.1 million. Almost, I think all the tokens are in circulation, almost. Just 0.7 million is left. And non-inflationary, it is not inflationary at all. Beta APY was beta APY 18%. So if you get a masternode, it can be profitable in the long run. And and I think it is, MNW is here to stay, and it's going to grow. It's going to transform the supply chain industry for years to come. MNW is on fire. Doubled volume with Coca-Cola, slashed costs by 50%, solving port gate out issues with Gulftainer, connecting federated co-ops, core systems for food traceability, certified connected with SAP, more billion-dollar partnerships in pipeline. So you guys can see what MNW is up to. It is big. MNW is here to stay. It is transforming the crypto as well as the supply chain industry. September 11, 2023. Ahmad Bilal has given us a bit of a technical aspect of it. At the moment, this is the trend line you can see here, and it has been stable around 1.5, $1.10, I think. Now let us look into the price. Yeah, let us look into the price. Yeah, I think Coin Market Cap always does this. Anyways, the price currently is at $1.50, so the masternode program can be extremely beneficial if you guys can check that out. $1.06 today with the 24. Yeah, here it is. It is $1.07. You can see it has risen. It was at $0.04 or 5 when I last saw and checked it out. It has risen last 7 days. Yeah, it went all the way to $1.13, went down. It is basically consolidating. Yes, you can see this is the range. It is acting like a stable coin, you know. This is the range, this is the accumulation period, and when the masternode program, I think, takes off, we might see a huge rally. There are support over here, big support levels over here as well. 180 days. Yeah, it has come down and it's consolidating over here, accumulation phase over here. It might rally up when this masternode program gets exposure, a bit more exposure, because many people would want to get into it and to become a masternode provider. So we'll check that out as well in the upcoming updates, what happens to the price and overall development of Morpheus Network. So guys, I hope you like this video, and if you like updates regarding these tokens, do share, like, and subscribe my channel, and where we are going to be getting we're going to discuss all these coins and get regular updates regarding them and have general discussions. So take care, guys. Until next time, goodbye and take care.